Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to invite friends on UNOTM. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Open your UNOTM application on your mobile device. Once you're in this main homepage after logging in, go ahead and tap on the friends icon located at the bottom of the main homepage. Now, you'll be able to see your friends list displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the invite friends icon at the bottom right hand corner. You can then choose the platform you want to use to invite your friends. You can either copy your invitation code located at the bottom left by tapping on the copy button and share it with your friends by opening up any messaging application on your mobile device. You can also go ahead and tap on the invite button in yellow, which will take you to your Messenger application. Simply go ahead and open up Messenger and select one of your friends from the list and tap the send button right next to them in order to send the invitation to them via Messenger. Or you can also invite your friend by tapping on the green invite button, and from the list go ahead and select one of the contacts, or you can also select one of the social platforms from where you can easily share the link to your friends. So that is how you can easily send an invitation to join in to UNOTM to your friends. Once the person accepts your invitation, they will be displayed here in the friends list. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.